If you're driving a 2006 Toyota Sienna and have come across the p0171 Toyota Sienna 2006 error code, you're probably wondering what it means and how to fix it. Don't worry, I'm here to help guide you through understanding and resolving this issue. The p0171 code indicates that the engine control module, ECM, has detected a lean fuel condition. This means that the air-fuel mixture in your engine has too much air and not enough fuel. This can lead to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and potentially damage to the engine components if not addressed quickly. The most common cause of the p0171 Toyota Sienna 2006 code is a vacuum leak. A vacuum leak allows extra air to enter the engine, which throws off the air-fuel ratio. This can be caused by cracked or disconnected hoses, faulty gaskets, or worn-out seals. To start, inspect all vacuum lines under the hood of your Sienna. If you spot any cracks, holes, or disconnections, that could very well be the source of the problem. Replace any damaged hoses or gaskets and check to see if the code clears after doing so. Another common culprit of the p0171 Toyota Sienna 2006 error code is a dirty or malfunctioning mass airflow (MAF) sensor. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine and helps the ECM adjust the fuel mixture accordingly. If the sensor becomes dirty or faulty, it can send incorrect readings to the ECM, causing the engine to run lean. Cleaning the MAF sensor with a MAF sensor cleaner or replacing it can resolve the issue. Additionally, a clogged fuel filter or a failing fuel pump can also cause a lean condition. If the engine isn't receiving enough fuel, the air-fuel mixture will be too lean. Replacing the fuel filter or inspecting the fuel pump for issues can often fix the p0171 Toyota Sienna 2006 code if a fuel delivery problem is to blame. If none of these solutions seem to help, it's possible that there is an issue with the oxygen sensors. The upstream oxygen sensor monitors the air-fuel mixture and helps the ECM adjust the fuel delivery. If the sensor is faulty, it can cause a lean mixture and trigger the p0171 code. Replacing the oxygen sensor should resolve the problem. If it's determined to be faulty, in some cases, a dirty fuel injector could be the root cause. If your fuel injectors are clogged or not working properly, they may not be delivering enough fuel to the engine, causing a lean condition. Cleaning or replacing the injectors may be necessary if they are found to be the problem. To fix the p0171 Toyota Sienna 2006 error code, you may need to perform a combination of these repairs, starting with the vacuum leak check and MAF sensor cleaning. If those don't resolve the issue, then further inspection of the fuel system and oxygen sensors may be required. It's always a good idea to reset the error code after performing repairs to ensure that the issue has been fully resolved. I hope this guide helps you get your Toyota